Hi, Janelle Schaefer here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. I am really happy that you have found me. On this channel, you will find videos, how-tos on how to make all kinds of herbal home remedies, how-tos on how to make foods with lots of herbs, gardening tips, wild crafting, planting plants, tips for growing plants inside, pretty much anything to do with nature and herbs and plants. And then I also mix in a lot of health tips because being healthy is not just about the plants, it is also about our mindset. So that I find extremely important and necessary to cover. And as Dr. Christopher said, that he wanted to see an herbalist in every community. It is my goal to see an herbalist in every home and to bring back the people's medicine, which is plants, to the people where it really truly belongs. So thank you and enjoy this channel.